Thank you. Sean Donahue for Blue Cross Blue Shield.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. A couple of clarifications that might help the committee understand our position on this bill. For the 75 years of the existence of Blue Cross, it's been our statutory mission to not deny anybody coverage. It's in our enabling act. We've never turned anybody away for any pre-existing condition. With the passage of the ACA, that became the law of the land for every insurance company. It has been our law for 75 years. So we don't deny coverage for any pre-existing condition whatsoever. But the important part of this bill, and the part that undermines the ACA, in fact, is the part that makes us take people outside the open enrollment period. The only way insurance, whether it be health, fire, auto insurance, the only way insurance works is if you purchase it when you don't need it, so it's there for you when you do. If you allow people a special enrollment period, whether they be diabetics, cancer patients, or pregnant people, they won't buy it until they need it. We don't let people buy health insurance on the way to the hospital in an ambulance, and we don't let people buy fire insurance when the smoke is coming out of their front door. So the ACA just decided this issue. The Burwell, Secretary Burwell, the head of CMS, said she does not have the legal authority to establish pregnancy as an exceptional circumstance to create a special enrollment period. Again, the ACA, in its genius, only works if everybody gets insurance. Not when they need it, but when they don't need it. That's when it's there for you when you do. And we're not talking to relate this to the younger folks. The ACA's other genius is it provides heavy subsidies to younger people and to lower income people. So those go all the way up to 400% of the poverty level. So you can get subsidized health insurance up to $45,960 for a single person. So there are access to health care. And as the chairman pointed out, if you miss the open enrollment period, you've broken the law, and now you are penalized for that. And the penalty is starting to grow. So although we understand the intent, and nobody believes the importance of prenatal care that Blue Cross invested in, but to allow this exception, we think opens the floodgates to other disease groups that are going to say, we want to be treated the same way. We want to be able to get insurance when we really need it. So it's a tough issue. I present that because I think this really does undermine the intent of the ACA and fundamentally the way insurance works. Happy to answer any questions you might have.
Any questions? Thank you so much, Sean. All right, we're going to hold this bill for further study. And our last bill of the evening is Representative Morgan Finn, and she is not here. Her bill, which I believe we heard last year, is an act which would require small employer insurers to permit small employers collectively as a group to purchase group health